Hey guys, it's spring now. I haven't fallen any trees this month. Not that I can recall, because I've only been down twice. But they've been building across the street, 5 houses, so it's been noisy. But today, it's a Sunday, so it's all right. But I have a couple fires going there down there, so it's a little smoky up here. But I want to drop some trees today because I've only dropped 19, which means no, I have 59 to go. So I've only dropped 16. So I'm slacking big time. So let's get to work. Right here in front, but it's kind of a cluster at the top. It's caught on the tree that the other cut tree is cut on. So hopefully it'll weigh enough that it will fall. Let's try it. It did it. Thank goodness. And I gotta clean that guy up and see. Hopefully I can fold this guy between those two. Might take that tree out. Yeah. Hopefully it's all right. I'm getting good at this. I couldn't have done that. That was pure. done that. Next time I come, I'm going to try and drop this guy safely. The last one went so good, I'm like, I gotta do one more. Oh, shit. I'm not falling that tree. I can't fall that tree. Where did it go? Look at the baby bunny. I don't want to hurt it. And hopefully its mom will come back. But once I saw that, I'm like, see the little guy or girl? Now I feel bad. Show you guys what I was up to when they're building across the street. Because I'm not going to fall in more trees because of the little bunny. I love animals more than people. They just want food and love. But today I was able to finally burn these large. It was one large brush pile, but then it turned into two. But thankfully I was able to burn it. Then I cleared some stuff back here. Those tree stumps are not from me. But I'm slowly clearing it. And again, that was to the creek. And I won't know when I find it until I'm almost there. And then up there is where I fell the two trees and the bunny. But also what I did at the beginning of the month. I don't know if I've shared it with you guys. But I cleaned out a lot of this hillside because I was trying to get rid of some more vegetation before spring came and everything started blooming again. But yeah, I was able to clear that. So now if my parents or sister or anybody wants to find me, they don't have to walk down the hill. They could just walk up here and they'll spot me wherever I am. Yeah, hopefully I'll be back before a week. And I could cut more trees down because as I cleared more where that fire pit is, those alders behind that will also be coming down. But I have to get rid of all the stuff that was in front of it first to do it safely. Always lots to do, but again, I love doing this kind of stuff. And only 2 trees today. Hopefully I'll have more next time, but at least I can check 2 off. I appreciate all you guys, and thanks again. Where you're working hard and you get tired and thirsty and hungry, but this isn't a union job, so we don't take breaks, and then once we're done, we realize, oh, we should have taken care of ourselves. But one of the things I do that help me out here, when I'm thirsty and I don't always get the water that I should, and my mouth gets real dry, I use Burt's Bees Lip Chap. And it smells great. But it helps keep your lips moist, so that way you put it on and you're not thinking, I need the water, because you're not licking your lips, your mouth isn't dry. So if you're a hard worker, and you get the dry lips and you need to moisturize them, again, Burt's Bees Lip Chap that smells wonderful and keeps you moist. One good thing about watching my views, if you watch them, I don't have any paid sponsors, so you don't ever have any ad breaks to fast forward or worry about, no. But if you want to know how me, a little 5'2", 225-pound female, clears all this all by herself, this is what I do. I sip 2 of these a day, Monster Zero. And what's nice about these, unlike the other sponsors that people get paid to do, you gotta go online, type in a promo code and wait some more. But not with Monster Zero, nope. You can order it online, they have it at Amazon, but my place that I buy is Costco. That's the best deal. But if you wanna try Monster Zero, you can go down to your local gas station, convenience store, and I bet you they will have it. But this is my secret to little old me doing all this work all by myself, is water, good dose of water, well water, not city water or filtered, nope, well. And I sip 2 of these a day, Monster Zero. So this is my little secret that I'm sharing with you guys. Let's ignore those other guys. They're sponsored by Element, and all they do is they sit and talk for 2 or 3 hours. I could sit and talk for more than 2 or 3 hours without any drinks. But for me to do this, this is my secret. And the one good thing about, well, there's many good things about Monster Zero, but the B vitamins, 400%, 490% of what we're supposed to take. And women, we need our B vitamins. So if there's any ladies, you'll get 409% of your daily intake from one of these. And I sip two of them. I never chug them. I just sip them. So I'm just letting you guys know that one of my secrets to doing all this hard work by myself with no man help, no man muscles, right here, Monster Zero. So if you want to do this, go to your gas station or Amazon or Costco has the best deal. And again, I was not paid to do this. That's why I'm running at the end of my video. But thanks again, guys, and go get some Monster Zero.